second. I almost forgot all the rest. Your pulse on my head where my chest is. It felt like a person. For a minute, I almost got lost in distance. The birds sang a song and I listened. There wasn't a thought in my head. But in I just know right back. It's hard to be human. Don't know what I'm doing half the time. 'Cause I'm only a man with a pen in his hand, a couple of stories to write. It's hard to be human. Wish I had a blueprint for life. 'Cause I'm only a dot on this old spinning rock. I guess I'm just along for the ride. It's hard to be human. It's hard to be human. Someone stop me from pouring my fourth cup of coffee. I'm shaking, my heart's going offbeat, but at least I can get out of bed. Someone tell me it's 6 hours of screen